Is it good?
Yummy?
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yummy for your tummy, huh? Alright, now this is going to go in the refrigerator. This is going to go in the fridge, okay?
He's like, I would like to test some more.
Yum, hokey, cokey.
Is it yum?
Yum.
It's a cake. Look at boy.
Alright. That's there. Okay, here, Charlie. Want to taste?
He's like, yeah, now I do. I like his sound effect. I like his sound effect.
Oh, thank you.
Is it yummy?
Okay. I agree.